Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you two simple ways to back up your Android phone in 2025. So in our first method, you can use the cloud way. For that, you can just simply open your phone. Then you need to go to the settings of your device. After that, you can select your email address in there and you can click on the option of backup. You can also turn on the backup option and it will automatically going to save all of the applications, photos, contacts, call history and settings to your Google account. Now in order to access on your drive, you need to open your web browser and search for drive.google.com. You need to log in with that same email address which you have used for backing up your phone. So over here you will see the option of shared with me. So you can click over here and here on this page you are going to see all of your files and folders that are shared with you. You can also click on the option of my drive in order to access those files. Now the second method of backing up your phone with the help of your USB cable. So you need to attach your USB cable with your phone and your PC, and then you are going to see your device name here in your PC just like so. After that, you need to double click on it and click on the option of internal shared storage. Now over here, you will see all of the files and the folders that are available on your mobile. So you can just simply press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Then you can press Ctrl plus C in order to copy all of these folders. After that, you can paste these folders on any of the drives that you have on your PC, and this way too you will be able to back up your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.